Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ugogo Skhotheni drags Umaweni again laphana ku Instagram. So we know ukuthi Umaweni is pregnant with twins and currently uhambela iqala lakhe le assault, and balipostponile iqala lakhe le assault until October, so that khona kubeleka kahle athole kahle abantwana bakhe angastressi anguke ema-court nani nani. So uSkhotheni uhambe lapha ku-Instagram wayodraga Umaweni for faking her pregnancy. Kesana wild, I know. So uSkhotheni ufake ama-picture awasho kokuthi njena futhi i-belly bump ayiduri. Guys, we know ukuthi Umaweni is pregnant. I know that there have been rumors ukuthi yeah, she's faking a pregnancy because akafuni ukuya ejele because uhambela aqala le-assault, but nje ugirl, she's pregnant. Shemi uyakhombisa nje ibheli yakhe even laphana kubo-TikTok, everyone knows ukuthi she's pregnant. So hamba uyoposta loku uSkhotheni wathi it's not expensive, yazi lena i-fake pregnancy bump siyayibona sonke. So abantu abaningi babonile ukuthi usho Umaweni because we know ukuthi Umaweni she's currently pregnant and yena naMaweni bane-beef. And now I'm starting to feel ngazuthi umuntu one-beef nalomnyela kahle kahle nguSkhotheni ngazi ukuthi une-beef namaweni. And these days shame nkosi yami akamnaki ini umziba ini these days, noma tuzama kumdraga akamphenduli because ugele akafuni ukuthi azabe nema-complications nge-pregnancy yakhe uthi focusele njena ekubeni pregnant, enjoying i-pregnancy yakhe. Uyazama shame uSkhotheni uyamdraga, and people are even saying ukuthi ayiqha makasuka kuphendula amaweni uthi uyakusukela, makasuka kuphendula amaweni akhuluma kabi masuke akhala uthi hey wena bakuthuka ngani ngani because ngiyalo uyamsukela umuntu wenkosi uthi ethulele. Why beso? So some people are saying ukuthi this girl doesn't know when to stop, like she really doesn't know when to stop. So people were actually dragging her lapha ku Instagram ngokuthi why there's no need yini reason yalokwendako manje, why umdzala. So some siyakuthi bebavumelana nebahleka benda kona lokho nje labakwendako, but some is saying ukuthi so uphumile layinini manje lento leyokhuluma konje futhi ayikho. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.